Hello everyone, I am Ophelia Jiman and I am giving a presentation on psychology in occupational health and safety. So as you can see here, safety first. So in our presentation today, there are many occupational health and safety career models, but I am focusing on safety specialists. And these are a few of my job descriptions to review, evaluate and analyze work environments and design programs and procedures to control, eliminate and prevent disease or injury caused by chemical, physical and biological agents or ergonomic factors. And over here too, I have little of my career duties to be performed, which are having protection over both the employer and the employee, um, and then educating them about what work safety environment should be. I also need to inspect all workplaces and to be sure that hazards are in their appropriate locations to prevent incident or injury among the workers. So these are some of the things that as a health specialist I need to do. And then I also need to undertake certain education requirements, which is to earn certification, acquire degree, and which I'm doing right now for 4 years. Moreover, I also realized that I need to master in my career to boost me more in knowing everything around it. And then I also know that experience also counts in safety works. And because as a graduate, we don't have any experience, but I think that the internship is an opportunity for us to gain an experience before going to the field. And here too, key skills from any other safety trainings can also be a benefit to us. It can be from the school, from your work side, or from outside your work. Then I've also drawn 4-year plan towards my degree here. When I began, I started with public health, but I later swapped it to occupational safety and health. And that I realized both had similarities because they all involve in health psychology. So I am still on the same page with my 4-year plan. Then I also plan to take not less than 9 credits in my semester. And also I needed to speak with my course mentor about my plans towards the remaining degree courses that I need to take. And here I am, a photo demonstrating me maybe coming from the website to the office, even though I am not in the safety way, but just an illustration. Then the reason why I'm taking this psychology degree is that the field of occupational health and safety has become a topic of increasing importance over the last 30 years. Therefore, OSHA in 1970 reflected the recognition that safety in the workplaces is a basic expectation for all employees. Initially, addressing concerns in industry and hazards associated, with mechanical injury. The field of occupational health and safety has expanded to almost every workplace environment, from the office to the aeroplane, as well as to the laboratory and the viva room. So to help minimize safety concerns, I want to become an industrial or organizational psychologist. So these are some of my reasons. Also comparing what we learned in chapter 13 to my reason, I want to help others to be protected from hazards at workplaces and industries where employees can lay their work experiences. And I saw the same thing as in the chapter that we've learned. For example, I am taking psychology in occupational health and safety for my personal growth and to extend health in building of healthy society. But like the chapter 13 says, taking psychology course prepares students to become good citizens in the increasingly complex pluralistic society. So I emphasize that my reasons to the chapter are of the same scenario. Thank you for joining me in my presentation.